Hi, Tony Khan with Kahntrol Solutions here. I'm going to be demonstrating how to install our new PodMod adapters today. Right here I've just got a regular Blackhawk 9 to 13 bipod, and we're going to replace the feet off of it with the new PodMod adapters. First step is going to be just take Allen wrench or something like that, and right in here, the roll pin holding that in, just push it through and out. You'll hear the spring pop loose and drop down in there. Some of them are a little bit harder than others to get out, and you may have to start them with a pair of pliers. At this point, you'll see the 5 O-rings that are space fillers in there. Just pull those off, and we'll be putting one of those back on later. Now comes the fun part. We're going fishing for the spring that popped loose. I've just got a regular Christmas tree ornament hanger here. You can use a paper clip with a small hook bent on the end. But you're going to reach in there and hook the end of the spring, hopefully. Pull it up and stick an Allen wrench through it. Once you've done that, take a pretty good piece of string, pull the spring up, and try to thread the string through there about halfway. Make sure the string is going to hold the spring, then pull your Allen wrench out and let it slide back down in there. At this point, bring the leg up just a little bit, lock it in place. The way the PodMod goes on is this set screw right here is going to go closest to where the mount is for the rifle. You're going to put the string through. This is where your hook will come in handy again. Reach it through, hook it, pull it through, and then slide the PodMod down over it. You're going to have to kind of look to get your holes lined up, and with your padded channel lock pliers, just use electrical tape or duct tape and just barely start the roll pin in. I missed the hole, so I'm going to try and get this lined up again. There we go. There we go. And you'll be able to tell when it hits the hole. But if you push it in too far, you may have to take some needle nose pliers and pull it back. And what that's for is gives you a chance to pull the spring up and kind of get it lined up, looking down through the hole, and squeeze the roll pin on home. And at that point, you've now got the spring recaptured. Pull your string out, tighten your set screw down. You're not going to really crank on this thing. You're just going to kind of snug it up. And at that point, you can go ahead and stretch your O-ring back over. Some people may prefer to go ahead and put the O-ring on before, because it can be a little tight trying to get it stretched over. But it makes it easier moving the leg up and down to wait until after. And the main reason for leaving the O-ring on is to give it a little padding for that. And that's how you install our new PodMod adapters. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at sales@kahntrol.com.